Hello and welcome to this tutorial for Focal Point Digital. I am going to quickly go through how to use this new Santa with a snow globe. It's really pretty easy. So let's just get started. Here's the finished product, and here's what you're supplied with when you purchase from the Etsy shop. Here is the subject that I am going to use. So I'm just going to use the quick selection tool, and usually the computer is pretty good at selecting just what you want these days. It does tend to be a little bit slow, but that's okay. I'm just going to select around her crown, and if you go too far, just hit the Alt key and that will remove the selection. Okay, and now I'm going to go to select and mask. And it's never going to be perfect, so you are going to have to tidy up your mask, but that's not the end of the world. The AI is doing most of it for you. So I'm just going to click OK, and here we are with our mask. And if you want to view the mask, you can just hit the backslash, and that'll show you your mask, and then you can come in and tidy this up however you see fit. To remove the things you don't want, you're just going to use the black brush. Whoopsie. And that's what is happening here. I'm just going to do that quickly. And to reveal it back, you just click it over to the white. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with tidying up the layer mask. I already have the subject perfectly cut out, so I'm just going to grab her and I'm going to drop it over into the layered file. It's as simple as that. That's how I tend to do it. I just drag and drop. There is a layer here that says your subject here. You can just, it's just where to aim, so I would just delete that one. Okay, and then we're going to, whoopsie, make sure you're selected the right one. Just move her where you want to move her. This layer here, all of the layers are locked, but if you want to make adjustments, you can unlock it. You can make this landing layer, the snow layer, more or less transparent. If you just want a little bit showing, then you can just turn down the opacity. If you want it completely covering, then you turn it up. If you like the snowflakes the way that they are, that's fine too. If you want to turn the opacity down, you just come in and turn it down. I think I want it down a little bit. It's maybe a little bit strong. And there's some snow on her face that I don't love, so I'm just going to add a layer mask, and I'm going to click the black brush and just brush it off of her face so I can see her beautiful face. And same thing here with the top layer. This gives it that behind a glass look. So if you like it, you can leave it there, and if you don't, you can turn it off. You can also adjust the opacity. You can turn it up, turn it down, whatever you like. But you just make sure to unlock the layer first. They are locked so that they don't get moved around and lost from their original position. Okay, now let's do a couple of adjustments on her. I'm going to add some sparkles. One of my very favorites is this fairy dust brush. I use it in almost every Christmas composite, and I'm going to add some fairy dust around this lantern, and then I'm going to add another layer and just add some light in there with a big soft brush, and then go to screen, and then it will glow. And I think she needs to be brightened up a little bit, so I'm just going to add a curves layer and pull up the midtones and make sure to clip it to her so that not everything's getting brighter. And I think that's good. I don't think I want to add anything else. You can always add other elements to this if you like, but right now I just want to keep it simple and keep her the center of the attention here in this composite. I hope this helps, and happy compositing. Thank you.